Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Dev's Kingdom. So in this video, we're going to introduce SmolDocling, which is a multimodal image text-to-text model. And it is very small. You can see it only has 256 params. So this model supports identification of the code, formula, chart, table, and figure if it's on an image. It also supports caption, correspondence, listing grouping, full page conversion, and OCR with bounding boxes, so on and so forth. And you can see for this model, it supports something called doc tags. The doc tags is something that you can convert the image to a structured XML-like tags. So this is image on the left, and after the conversion from this new SmolDocling model, it converts everything to a structured XML-like tags on the right side, as you can see, which is very cool. And also you can further convert that text to HTML, Markdown, and the JSON format, which we're going to demo a little bit in this video. And this model is fine-tuned from the small VLM to 56M Instruct. So it's a very cool model and developed by the Docling and IBM research. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you want to try out this model, first you have to install the transformers from Hugging Face, then you have to install Torch and Docling Core. And to test, just get an image from the Wikipedia, for example, and also you can just try out the image. So this is the image we're gonna parse. So it's a very complicated and also a little bit blurry, as you can see here. And after the conversion, so first we just load the image and use the auto processor to load the model, and also just use the auto model for vision to sequence to actually load the model, and then we get a prompt, say convert this page to Docling. So pass it to this processor. So you can see that we basically use the processor to get the trimmed generated IDs from the model, and also we basically just do a strip, just trim out all the white spaces. Then we just basically passing the doc tags, which is generated from the processor, and also the image. Then that's it. So we can actually get all the doc tags, which already displayed in here. So these are all the doc tags, which is XML-like structure. And then we can convert that doc tags to HTML, JSON, and Markdown. So we actually converted that to Markdown. So you can see everything is converted to Markdown. So I copy and pasted everything to the IDX. So you can see that clearly. So you can see the Docling file. This is a Docling Markdown that's converted from the image. Very nice. So you can also preview it. So you can see that it's very, very well structured. If you look at the XML, and you can see that basically it's stored with the doc tag. Then there's a picture, and there's a section header level 1, section header close level 1, so which is the image that you see here. So there's a text here. It's a Gazette de France, and you can see this Gazette de France. So there's a do mardi. So you can see here's the do mardi. So very nice. And then there's a bounding box, which is also like the bounding box in the XML format here. You can see there's a picture, there's a section header, there's a text in here, which is the text in here, and also there's another saying that start with the text. So you can see after all the picture parsing, then it goes to the text, which is the pad fork. So you can see here's the pad fork. Very nice to convert it, and this is very good for the sequential model. So if you see their documentation here, so you can see this is the doc tag is very good for the image to sequence models. So very cool. And if you want to try out on UIs, they also provided a Hugging Face space. You can see from here. So the space is .ds for SD, and then there's a very nice UI here. You can try it out using this Gradio tool. So you can just click on it, and then it will basically convert this image to a text. So very nice, very useful, and hopefully this is helpful. They also have a very nicely written paper on Medium. So you can see the small 256 model actually has a very comparable performance, such as the Kubernetes 2.5 VL, so which has a lot more parameters. It has 7B parameters. This only has 256. The performance is similar, including the full page and code listing and equations. So it's very nice, and you can read through the paper to understand it more, especially for the doc tags structure. So you can see these explained pretty well on what tags means. So like this doc tag, and I'll start with the doc tag, and then there's a tags, caption, page footer, title, pictures, as you can see from our testing in here. So you can see that first there's a picture here, there's a section header and picture, then tags, so which is in line with this documentation, the paper. So you can see here's the tags and picture. So it's very nicely written, and so it is a very efficient model that can help with the image text conversion. So hopefully this is helpful, and if you do like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.